Hi, boys and girls. It's your math mini lesson with me. So, today we are going to learn about the Friends of 10 addition strategy. Ooh, and it's lovely. I think the sun is about to peek out of the clouds. Ooh, it's lovely. So, today I'm going to show you how two addends or groups can be formed together with Gus the Plus to then create the sum of 10. Now, it's really important because our system is a base 10 system. So this is a great strategy for you to learn now when you're first learning addition, because as you get older and go to first grade and second grade, you'll be using this strategy to help you with more advanced addition strategies or addition equations. So today we're going to use my handy dandy 10 frame. And our two groups are going to consist of the red counters and I'm going to flip it over, the blue counters. So right now we have a complete 10 frame. So we have 10. Now we have only 10 reds. Do we have any blues? Any blue counters? No. So we only have 10 red counters. So I'm going to represent that in my addition sentence with my red marker here. This is my first addition sentence. 10. Then I'm going to use my Gus the Plus. Ooh. Plus. Now, are we adding another group? An addition equation has two groups. So there are 0 blue counters. So we're going to include that in our addition sentence. 10 plus 0 equals, well, what's the sum? What is our total? Sorry, I'm getting a little distracted by that. That window is so bright. So our sum is 10. That's right. So our addition sentence looks like this. 10 plus 0 equals 10. Well, what if I want to keep the same sum, but I want to change up the groups? Well, I'm going to have a mystery to solve. Does anyone want to solve my mystery with me? Wow, this is what the mystery addition sentence will look like. Blank plus, Gus the Plus, blank equals 10. We want that same sum. We want 10 all the way down as our sum, because we are trying to find different ways to create or add to the sum of 10. So let's just change over 1. So I will have one counter being blue, and then how many counters are red? Well, I can tell right off the bat I have 4 up here. 4, and then I'm going to count on 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, yeah, I have 9 red counters. So use my red marker to represent my 9 counters. 9 plus 1 equals what again? What's our sum? That's right, 10. Sorry, again, it's kind of weird looking at myself while I'm recording. 9 plus 1 equals 10. That's another way to solve or to get the sum of 10. Let's do another mystery. So I'm going to have my blank groups here, which then will equal the sum of 10. That's right. And got to use my Gus the Plus to add those groups together. He's so generous, Gus. So again, I have a mystery addition sentence. Blank plus blank equals 10. Well, I think I'm just going to make it easy for myself, and I'm going to just change over one more blue. Okay, so now I have 2 blues and how many reds? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I hope you solved that before I did. 8, and if you didn't, totally fine. 8 plus, was it 1? No, 8 plus 2 blues equals 10. Interesting. Well, what if I changed over one more blue? What would my addition sentence be? How many reds would I have? That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I would have 7 reds. And wait, how many blues? 3 blues. Okay, so my addition sentence would look like this. 7 plus, gotta keep changing out my markers here, plus 3 equals 10. And it just keeps going. So if I added another blue, look at what's going to happen. I still have the sum of 10, but I add one more blue, and then I'm decreasing the amount of reds. So right now I have 4 blues and 6 reds. So addition sentence would be 6 plus, guess the plus again, plus 4 equals 10. The sum is still 10. Okay, I'm going to change over one more blue. Right? I can do that. And then I'll get 5 blues and 5 reds. Oh my goodness, my strategies are now kind of together. I know 5 and 5 is 10 because it's a double. Oh my goodness. So I can then write that. 5 and 5 is 10, and 6 and 6 is 12. Oh, love that song. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Another way. Now, boys and girls, I'm going to change over one more blue. So how many blues do I have now? The blues are greater than the reds. I have 6 blues now and only 4 reds. I thought I already wrote that though. But I think it was the opposite. So what's happening is the groups are doing something called a switcheroo. But the sum will still be the same. So if we do a little switcheroo, we have 6 blues plus 4 reds to then equal what again? Yeah, sums of 10. We're getting this. It will all equal 10. So as you can see here, I put this addition equation right next to this one. It's just the opposite. Those are switching. The addends are switching. And I like to call it a switcheroo. So boys and girls, the next one would then be the switching of 7 and 3. We would have 7 blues. Whoops. 7 blues and 3 reds. So 7 or 3 plus 7 equals 10. Same thing. Oh my goodness, how cool. Then we would have 2 reds, 2 plus 8 blues to equal 10. And again, it just keeps going. Then we would have 1 red. 1 plus 9 equals 10. The last one, we have 0 reds. 0 plus 10 blues to equal 10. Love it. Friends of 10, so fun. Boys and girls, today you will have an activity where you will create sums of 10 as well, just to review this wonderful, wonderful strategy. See you later, friends. I'm going to continue doing some more math problems.